Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of spell and wall art, a stunning blend of creativity and modern design. Whether you're looking to elevate your home decor or add a touch of personality to your workspace, Spellen has something for everyone. From bold abstracts to serene landscapes, each piece is crafted with care, using high-quality materials that ensure durability and beauty. Plus, our artworks are easy to install, making it simple for you to transform any space in just minutes. Join countless satisfied customers who have found their perfect piece. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more art inspiration. Let's start your journey into the world of Spellen wall art. Spellen wall art is an innovative and captivating form of decorative expression that transcends traditional home decor. This unique art form combines creativity, craftsmanship, and a deep understanding of aesthetic appeal to create pieces that not only beautify spaces but also evoke emotions and tell stories. Each piece of Spellen wall art is meticulously designed and crafted, making it a perfect addition to any home, office, or public space. The essence of Spellen wall art at its core, Spellen wall art embodies the fusion of modern design principles with timeless artistic techniques. The name, Spellen, itself suggests a journey through various artistic landscapes, inviting viewers to explore the intricate details and layers of meaning embedded within each piece. This art form is characterized by its bold use of color, texture, and form, often incorporating elements from nature, abstract concepts, and cultural motifs. Materials used in Spellen wall art. One of the defining features of Spellen wall art is the high-quality materials used in its creation. Artists often select a variety of mediums to achieve diverse effects, including wood. Natural wood provides warmth and character, allowing for intricate carvings and layering techniques that add depth to the artwork. Metal. Incorporating metal elements introduces a contemporary edge, reflecting light and creating dynamic contrasts against other materials. Canvas. High-grade canvas serves as a versatile base for painting, enabling artists to explore various painting techniques, from abstract splashes to detailed landscapes. Acrylics and oils. These paints are commonly used for their vibrant colors and durability, allowing artists to create visually striking pieces that maintain their brilliance over time. Mixed media. Many Spellen artists experiment with mixed media, combining various materials and techniques to produce unique textures and visual narratives. Design themes in Spellen wall art. Spellen wall art encompasses a wide range of themes, each offering a distinct perspective and emotional resonance. Some popular themes include nature-inspired designs, drawing inspiration from the beauty of the natural world. These pieces often feature flora, fauna, landscapes, and organic shapes. The use of earthy tones and textures evokes a sense of tranquility and connection to the environment. Abstract expressions. Abstract Spellen wall art challenges viewers to interpret shapes, colors, and forms in their own way. These pieces often feature bold colors and dynamic compositions that stimulate the imagination and provoke thought. Cultural motifs. Many artists incorporate cultural symbols and patterns into their work, celebrating heritage and diversity. These pieces serve as a bridge between cultures, fostering appreciation and understanding through visual storytelling. Geometric patterns. The use of geometric shapes adds structure and balance to wall art designs. Geometric patterns. The use of geometric shapes adds structure and balance to wall art designs. These pieces often play with symmetry and repetition, creating a sense of harmony that appeals to modern sensibilities. Personal narratives. Some Spellen wall art pieces are deeply personal, reflecting the artist's experiences, emotions, or beliefs. These works invite viewers into the artist's world, encouraging empathy and connection through shared human experiences. The impact of Spellen wall art on spaces. Incorporating Spellen wall art into your environment can significantly enhance the atmosphere of any space. Here are some ways it can transform your surroundings. Creating focal points. A striking piece of wall art can serve as a focal point in a room, drawing attention and anchoring the overall design. Whether it's a large canvas or an intricate wooden sculpture, it can set the tone for the entire space. Enhancing aesthetics, the vibrant colors and unique designs of spell and wall art can elevate the aesthetic appeal of any room. It adds layers of visual interest that can complement furniture, color schemes, and architectural features. Evoking emotions, art has the power to evoke emotions and provoke thought. Spell and wall art can inspire feelings of joy, tranquility, nostalgia, or curiosity, creating a more engaging environment for those who inhabit the space. Personal expression, displaying spell and wall art allows individuals to express their personality and style. It reflects personal tastes and interests, making a space feel more like home. Encouraging conversations, unique art pieces often spark conversations among guests or family members. They can serve as conversation starters, leading to discussions about the artwork's meaning, the artist's process, or shared experiences related to the themes depicted. How to choose spell and wall art for your space. Selecting the right piece of spell and wall art involves careful consideration of various factors: space size. Consider the dimensions of the wall where you plan to hang the artwork. Large pieces can make a bold statement in spacious areas, while smaller works may be better suited for intimate settings. Color palette, choose artwork that complements your existing color scheme. Look for pieces that incorporate colors found in your furniture or decor to create a cohesive look. Style compatibility, ensure that the style of the artwork aligns with your overall design aesthetic. Whether your space is modern, rustic, eclectic, or traditional, there's a piece of spell and wall art that will fit seamlessly. Theme resonance, select artwork that resonates with you personally or reflects your interests. Whether you're drawn to nature-inspired designs or abstract expressions, choose pieces that evoke positive emotions. Placement considerations, think about where the artwork will be displayed. Consider factors like lighting, visibility from different angles, and how it interacts with other elements in the room. Dust regularly, use a soft cloth or duster to gently remove dust from the surface of your artwork. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive materials that could damage the finish. Avoid direct sunlight, prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can fade colors over time. Position your artwork away from windows or use UV protective glass if applicable. Maintain optimal humidity levels. Wood-based artworks can warp or crack in extreme humidity levels. Keep indoor humidity levels stable to preserve the integrity of your pieces. Handle with care. When moving or cleaning your artwork, handle it with care to avoid scratches or damage. If necessary, consult professional conservators for restoration or repair. Regular inspections. Periodically inspect your artwork for signs of wear or damage. Address any issues promptly to ensure longevity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the vibrant world of spell and wall art. We hope you found inspiration for your own spaces. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more stunning decor ideas. Explore our full collection at website link, and follow us on social media for updates and special offers.